I was born at Hyderabad, 12th September 1937, at Murli Darbagh or ancestral property, in a joint family. Raja Kannaya Prasad, my grandfather, was family patriarch. My mother, Rani Chandabai, very kind-hearted lady. We have 5 cousins living with us. Their father was civil surgeon. He was put around the district around the year. It's wonderful joint family living together. We have a very big courtyard at the back. Lot of trees, jam, aam, anar, seb, sapota, and jackfruit. Jackfruit both phannas. Jackfruit dish very famous, popular tha jatra garba mein, behtareen rehti thi. And we used to live together in a big house. The beauty of the house is that high-arch ceilings are there, thick lime and brick walls, 2 feet thick. Big open areas, big windows and doors, ample taut ventilation. We had no fan in the house till 1950s, except a rudimentary contraption. लकड़ी पे लगाते ना, लगे कपड़ा लगाते हैं, उसे पुलिस से खींचते थे, दगड़ू राम खींचते रहते समर में, और खिड़कियों में खश की टट्टी लगा के पानी डालते थे. It was wonderful atmosphere. We all grew up together as a large family. During school days, very fond of English movies. We used to take 1 आना ticket, 1 आना cycle from across the best cycle take हमारे घर के सामने थी. 1 आना एक साइकिल लेके सिकंदरा जाते थे हम दोस्त. अगर पानी गिरा टैंक बंटे तो दाऊद जंग पवेलियन जाओ, खाने का कुछ लगाया नहीं, इटरीज देर, वहाँ ठहरते थे. पानी का क्या करना है बाबू, अरे भीग गया, चलो जाएंगे. वहाँ गए थे, नॉट ए सिंगल पर्सन भी देर. Cheapest ticket, sit down underneath the fan. Once the lights are off, we'll take off shoes and socks and even our shirt. Jaise light aati, put it back in. Sometimes we have no money. We'll walk down from Secunderabad to Hyderabad. Walk. Wonderful atmosphere. And we're tired, we'll sit on Tangbird for a little while and come back. You would not believe, no traffic at all. Now you see something is unbelievable. See, you never felt you're walking. Can you imagine walking? In fact, in the school, in the evening, we used to walk to Tank Bund, sit down there. Every evening we used to walk, summer and winter. It was wonderful. No traffic, very comfortable. And there was at Bashir Bagh, now a Bashir Bagh complex there, the Bashir Bagh Palace was there. And then where Ravindra Bharat is there, Nasruddaulah Palace. I remember Dadi, we used to go, Dada के क्या बोलते हैं, फोर्ट के साथ जाते थे, वहाँ जाके नवाब साहब से मिलते थे. Whole culture was very different. Not the one to live in the past, but we are fortunate exposed to it. School is a wonderful place. It has so many values of life which have influenced all my life. They have been like guiding मेरे जिंदगी के मशाले राह रहे. Every जब ने कहा ना, हर मरहले मोड़ और लम्हा पे मेरे मशाला रहा है. I owe immense lot to my school, my teachers. Whatever I am today, I owe it to them. They instill a lot of discipline. They are very kind, gentle, compassionate, caring, firm, but never harsh. Big difference. They are firm, but never harsh. The respect was from inside. And I remember one thing, one instead I remember, Minaj again, Dumaji Master, he was only Tota Master in a group. So when you climb up to go to the school, he was smoking. Laikali Maulsa, we saw him. He said, "Arey, Maulsa, that he put his cigarette in his necker ka jeb mein. Haath jal raha hai, necker jal raha hai, dua nikal raha. Majal nahi nikalna." But the greatness of teacher was, like Maulsa saw that, he just turned around and went away. He didn't come and scold now. Aajkal bachche shuru karte na, no scold. Nikal ke bola, "Arey, mar gaya baap." After that day, he has not spoken one single day. Not once. That was the moral impression. That's the beauty of his school. हैदराबाद यूनिक कल मैंने कहा मुश्तरका तहजीब की नादिर मिसाल है जिसकी नज़र देने में कहीं नहीं मिलेगी. नोवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. लाइक ए फैमिली. नाम आपका अलग होगा बट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ द सेम फैमिली. वॉट एवर मे बी. अच्छा, विल गो टू एवरीबडीज. फ़ायदा क्या था, चले फरीद के जाएंगे, बिरयानी मिलती यार. अच्छा, जितने गए तो अम्मा बेहतर उत्तपम डोसा बनाते थे. बाज़ अम्मा थे पटवारी के, मधुकर बहुत धुमाजी था, मार खाता था उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, मुद्दा बाजी वांगी बाजी बनाते थे. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर द टेस्ट. बाजू गैबर शाह साहब थे, बहुत अच्छा खाना खिलाते थे. उस समय ने क्या था, मेरा तरह आजकल क्या है, घर में बच्चा बढ़ के कमा रहा कम कर रहा, फ़र्क है. वो कोई भी सब खाने को आते थे. अच्छा हमारे घर में फ्रिज था, अम्मा बना कर दोपहर में को भूख लगी खाना खा लिया तो खा के अम्मा खाना लिया बोल लिख के अम्मा खाया बोल के थैंक यू खा लिया. कोई मुँह आना फ्री हाउस नथिंग बट एवरी बिहेव नाइसली. हर एक ऑब्जर्व लिया करते थे बड़ों कैसा करना, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ सीखना है. और धूम बहुत करते थे, इतनी धूम का आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, मगर मार कभी नहीं खाए. मधुकर खाता था हमने कभी मार खाए उसको सामने रखना पीछे धूम करना, पर मज़ा आता. इट लाइक लॉट ऑफ फन. वी आर एनकरेज टू ट्रैवल. हम मामू के साथ ऑल डिस्ट्रिक्ट हैदराबाद गए. देन हमारे दादा हमेशा हर साल बाहर पे जाए जो मौका है, स्कूल कॉलेज मेडिकल कॉलेज में. आई वेंट ऑल ओवर इंडिया, इवन मानसरोवर वेंट देयर, मानसरोवर down to Kanyakumari and Ceylon, except Calcutta. I have seen every place of Hyderabad, India. It's a wonderful exposure to your country. Varied culture, it's unbelievable. Varied culture. And north में गए तो it was so cold, रहने कोई जगह नहीं, नहाना जरूरी है आपको, कांपते थे. But faith sustained you. अकेदा बोलते ना, that sustains you because you have to go there. अब कहीं जाना है तो नहा बगैर नहाए तो काम नहीं होता, अपना चलता, खाना नहीं खाते, नाश्ता नहीं करते, नहाते थे. बोलते हैं लाइफ हैज बीन ए वंडरफुल जर्नी. आई कॉल इट सुहाना सफर, फुल ऑफ रोमांस एंड ब्यूटी विद एवरीथिंग ऑफ नेचर, योर कल्चर, योर वैल्यू, पीपल, सो मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर, लैंग्वेजेस, every very good, people have different languages. One good thing is we are very fortunate, very good elders we had. They had wide vision, open vision. Achha, so many members of family have been educated abroad, and they always thought of open-mindedness, affection for all, service-mindedness. See, हमारी फैमिली जो है ना, बोला मुरलीधर हमारा आंसर हो गया, मेन दिस इज सर्विस ओरिएंटेड, सोशल कमिटेड. दे हैव बीन ingrained to us. You have to. God has blessed you. Try to do your best, for you never pass this again. Not everybody can to serve. You have been chosen to serve. Do your best, and that has been lifelong principle I have followed. See, so many values of life, they are ingrained you from world go. So slow, they build up and make your character. I was very much influenced by my uncle, Dr. P. Ramchandra. In fact, people who influenced my life is my role model, my grandfather, my mother, and my uncle. A wonderful human being, very generous, pathologically generous, and workaholic. In fact, he is the one who did the first posterior intraocular lens in India in January 1955. Patient is alive. I have taken photograph of that, a video also. He was my role model. So I will always want to be a doctor and also ophthalmologist. So that influence you get on the life. Then I joined medical college, a wonderful college, I tell you. I will tell you, clinical side, we had Dr. Bahadur Khan, Dr. G.P. Ramaya, Chalpit Naidu Sahab, S.S. Hussain, and then Bankaj Chandra Sahab, wonderful teacher. Then Shantinaran Mathur, S.R. Rao, or Venkateshwar Rao, and then we had Bhushan Rao of forensic medicine, and Dr. Gopal Rao was a store of knowledge. Ansari Sahab was professor of pharmacology, and Pentaya Sahab. Beauty is there. Even today, Pentaya Sahab teaches like his friends, not as a student. That's the beauty of those days. We had genuine respect for them. After that, we did House Usmania. I will tell you, one of the best institutions in the world. Largest, best strength, finest teachers, beautiful building. You cannot make building like that now. High ceilings, thick walls. Now the problem with the Usmania hospital is some area they are falling. Old building for new contraption they have to AC अगर लगाने के तोड़े ना. From there it has started. They are not maintenance not there. Beautiful building. Even today go there. I went there 2 years back. I went there. High ceiling, very clean. So maintenance is not there. See, you have to maintain. One thing I'll tell you one thing. When MM4, MM1 here, sorry, in the left side, in the river Musi will flow in majestically, full flow, and dash against the walls. They'll come and touch us in the MM1. I still feel. And then we used to go there. I remember 59. Yeah, there was 2 or 3 feet below the level. Well, अरे जाके बैठे, अरे चलो यार अपन The concept was there. People were worried, flood aata nahi. They said, no, we'll put a paper la ke London or Paris ko jayenge. That's our concept. But beautiful. It's so clean, unbelievable. There are a lot of gardens along there. और क्या बोलते so many greenery थे, gardens थे, और even fruits के तरफ रहते थे. Wonderful. You can go down there, spotlessly clean. You can see the water coast, very clean. All the way from wall of Musi River, MM1. You can feel that. And fragrance of fresh air, it's so healthy. It's a heavenly type of feeling, very difficult to describe. Acha. I'll tell you another thing. When I was doing house job, I was in MM4. Ram Pasha Sahab was हमारे वो थे. So one day I had first posting, medical posting. One patient came bleeding, 3-4 bottles of blood. He passed away. I have never seen death. I was so depressed. I went, साहब ऐसा होगा ऐसा. क्या होता शाम सर? क्या करते के? Ram, a wonderful man, I tell you. Very nice, thorough gentleman, very affectionate. काई फिकर करते? अभी तो शुरू आपका लाइफ में देखना है नको साहब ने अरे पे डॉक्टर बन रहा है ऐसा को डरते सो वी आर सो सेंसिटिव एट दैट टाइम बिकॉज आई स्टिल रिमेंबर हिज 3 days I was with the patient all the time, his wife and young kids watching. So I can close my eyes, I can say MM4 3rd bed on this side. I can still remember that case. But they said the beginning, this is beginning of your, don't worry, you have to face all these things. And I'll tell you, Ramaya Sahab, very gentle, soft-spoken, gentle, very nice little talk and explain to an operate. Chalpati Sahab ka, his typical gestures. Hussain Sahab, a typical way of teaching. And luckily for us, we all plus. And we started doing houses at Usmania Hospital. After that, I went to ophthalmology. I started applying. After applying for 10 years. Most sort of resident, even today is very I don't know what to say. You stay as surgical resident. Don't stay there. After these incidents, I was not covering. I was very honest. They were impressed by honest answer. All my attendings called all their friends all over America, got me a residency in Buffalo. Something you never believe this. Again, I says, honesty, sincerity always help. Be honest, be sincere. I was honest. And I wanted, the reason is I used to work very hard there. All the time I used to keep on, I want to assimilate as much as I can. Our knowledge was there, but clinical was what it. And my history writing was so good, they were very impressed. It's a taken model history writing. Because of that, because we write all histories all the time here, very typical. When it comes to diagnosis, investigation, treatments, I once in a funny way read GOK. What's it, my son? I said, God only knows. They didn't say anything. For 2 months, they really trained me very hard to meet requirements of the system. After that, no mercy. Every day he'll give me some, read a reference and come. I'll read reference, go next day. Do you read a cross reference? Reading reference took me all the time. Where to go cross reference? What I'm trying to say is, they inculcate certain values of medical training. And they're very impressed because basic art, science, clinical, all sophistication is there. But clinical, that all the time it helps, makes a lot of difference. And they really appreciated that. And my honest answer was, got me residency. Otherwise, I don't know where I'd been now. After I wait 10 years, kya karna hai? 10 saal mein kya karna hai? Where I go? So how destiny helps you. And honesty always helps. Monday to Saturday, tough. Morning, afternoon. Very heavy didactic. Saturday you have to give the test. After that you are free, like jailbird को छोड़े हुए साथ. Everybody used to hit the town. अपना बहुत towns थे, pubs वगैरह full रहते, जाके मस्त खाते मजा करते थे. And there was nice summer season, so there's not a swimming pool, क्या lake क्या सारा था. We used to enjoy swimming there, driving, going around. We used to play croquet खेलते थे, all the things with the American system. But important thing what I'm saying is, this training is so intense. So this thing, I was a raw medical graduate. I need not to diagnose anything. They trained me from raw medical graduate to a well-trained ophthalmologist. And they gave me certain values of life. Honesty, sincerity, punctuality, dedication, and certain things which all my life I follow. Dedication, determination, devotion, discipline, commitment, sincerity of purpose, relentless pursuit, ceaseless spirit of inquiry and be focused, hallmark to success. All the life I found. Another thing is, I'm very fond of writing poetry. When I first went there, internship, I was bit, "Arey, kya yaar, kahan phas gaye, kaisa karna?" I wrote a poet at that time. Impossible, that's right, that's the poetry. Often the task will be many and more than you think you can do. Often the task will be many and more than you think you can do. Often the roads will be rugged and hills unsurmountable too. But always remember the hills ahead are not as steep as they seem. If you faith in heart much upwards until achieved, there's nothing impossible. I call impossible, say I am and possible. I am, yes, I am possible. They required one more year for me to take American boards. My JM visa was expiring. I said, all right, I'll go to Canada. I went there, he said, no, you have to one more year internship. मैं क्या करूँ यहाँ? Then I said, what to do? I said, मेरी और England I come. Because most of my family members study, engineers, doctors, barristers, all of study England. So I went there. From there I went to England and first stayed at Royal College of Surgeons, Lincoln's Inn Field. There I took a home study science course. That was first introduction to English system. At the Royal College, lunch and dinner you have to dress formally. Typical style, butler will serve. It was enjoyable, it's amusing but enjoyable, something very new for me. But there are a lot of things English people have. I love their way of life, so many things, values of life they follow. Then after that course was over, I got a job at Registrar University of Newcastle upon Tyne. Very heavy. One senior registrar, 4 senior officers. We see 400 patients in the morning, 250 in the afternoon, University of Newcastle. All departments there. But my American training helped me a lot here. It really helped me a lot. And I used to work, I was learned, so many things I learned. Then I started journal club there for residents. And that again, everything is that you have to keep on learning and share. Knowledge spread by sharing. I am a lifelong beneficiary of that. After that, I took my primary exam, I passed. After that, I got a locum consultant job at University of Liverpool, Alternate Children's Hospital and Broad Green. After that is why I moved down to London. I worked in Moorfields for a while. A wonderful, introduction to clinical medicine we practice here. Very heavy, but I really tremendously I benefited. In 1974, I started my own practice at my residence in Muridabad. I had brought instruments, the latest state-of-the-art and quality care instruments, not available in any other practicing ophthalmologist in Hyderabad. My fees were very reasonable. All sections of Hyderabad society came, especially poor sections for old city of Hyderabad. Nobody was denied service, irrespective of their capacity to pay. I always believed that only a fortunate few get a chance to serve. You are the chosen one, do your best for you never pass this again. And God has chosen, you do it. Money comes, that's not a question of time. So slowly I started and became very busy. The patient had to wait 4 or 5 hours and start getting patients all over India and also from Middle East. And after that, my uncle said, no, you must start your own hospital. Then I started Kanchan Kannaya Prasad, the grandfather Raja Kannaya Prasad, mother Rani Chandabai, KNCHN, to perpetuate their memory, honor them to make me what I am today. It started in 1984 and it was a small 12-bedded hospital, fully all latest equipment was there, and we used to operate all types of cases. We had the GA, all facilities. We used to conduct free eye camps all over. IMA City, Hyderabad, British Council, and other private agencies will go and collect, and we'll get the patients, operate them free of charge. With no operation, they will be looked after during their stay at the hospital. Important thing is, I always keep on repeating. Every time you tell, अरे क्या डॉक्टर साहब कहाँ चलता है वाला ऊपर वाला चलाता आप हम नहीं चलाते. He is the one who looks after you, not everybody. I got Lifetime Achievement Awards. One is in APC Ophthalmic Society. I got 3 times like that, and also got Lifetime Achievement Award from abroad also. My Lifetime Achievement Award from USA also. Another award was the Pan Ophthalmology Award in Sopron, Hungary. Another honor I got is I was made Honorary Fellow of New York Academy of Sciences, 1996. That's a rare honor, based on the work. So, and this out is another. I was Rajamandri again. I was made lifetime achievement I was given there. So amount of work you do, because I am one of the pioneers of ophthalmic plastic surgery in Andhra and India also. एहसासात और जज्बात के मोतियों को मैंने तरन्नुम के तारों से संवारने की कोशिश की है. एहसासात और जज्बात के मोतियों को मैंने तरन्नुम के तारों में संवारने की कोशिश की है. उसका मतलब है किसे याद रख, इतने मोतियाँ हैं, किसे याद रख, किसे भूल जाऊँ. तो सो मैनी उसको मैंने लिखा ये सुहानी, इसके उर्दू में ये सुहानी रात, ये हसीन रंगीन महफिल, दिल फरेब मौसीकी पे थिरकती हुई हसीनाएँ, ये हवा का झोंका है या तेरी बदन की खुशबू, ये हवा का झोंका है या तेरी बदन की खुशबू, ये चांदनी है या तेरे आंचल का दामन, ये चांदनी है तेरे आंचल का दामन. तो देखा नहीं महसूस किया है मैंने. और पोइट्री साइड में फ्लाइट ऑफ फैंशिप, तो देखा नहीं महसूस किया है मैंने, दिल ने छेड़ा है तेरी याद को शबनम की तरह. तक़वील कुरान बोलते हो, तक़वील कुरान, फ्लाइट ऑफ इमेजिनेशन. ये गजाला सी आंखें, ये गुलाबी रुखसार, ये गजाला सी आंखें, ये गुलाबी रुखसार, किसे याद रखूं, किसे भूल जाऊं. ये जुल्फ़ें, ये नाज अदाएँ, ये जुल्फ़ें, ये नाज अदाएँ, किसे याद रखूं, किसे भूल जाऊं. इन मरमरी बाहों के सहारे आँखों से जाम पिया है मैंने, इन मरमरी बाहों के सहारे आँखों से जाम पिया है मैंने, किसे याद रखूं, किसे भूल जाऊं. कभी तेरा चेहरा है, सोचते ना, सोचते बैठते, साये पे साया, कभी तेरा चेहरा है साये पे साया, किसे याद रखूं, किसे भूल जाऊं. कुछ धड़कनों का जिक्र है, कुछ दिल की बात. जज्बात ये रहता ना भी, धड़कनों का जिक्र दिल की बात है, किसे याद रखूं, किसे भूल जाऊं. तो भुलाना भी चाहूँ तो भूल पाऊँ कैसे. तुम तो हकीकत तो ख्वाब नहीं.